everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something very glamorous and fall inspired. I know that I have not uploaded in probably a month at this point, and I am very sorry about that. I have been very busy with school. Also, my grandmother passed away about a week ago, and so actually a little bit more than a week ago. So I've just been spending a lot of time with family because of that. Also, I've been having issues with my computer. My computer is not holding space like it used to. My computer's 5 years old. So I had to go get a new hard drive, an external hard drive, so I could upload all of my videos, and I'm still trying to figure out how to use this new hard drive that I bought. So if you are seeing this right now, it means that I have figured it out. So yeah, today I am so excited to sit here with you guys and play with makeup. I have a bunch of new products that I want to try on camera for the first time, and I just want to get glam with you guys. So let's get started. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids using this new product. I've actually been trying this out about 2 or 3 times so far, and this is the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and I'm in the shade Super Pale AF. I'm just kidding, that's not the shade. Shade NW15. It smells very paint-like, which I've heard that Studio Fix does smell like paint. Prime my eyelids. And then I'm also setting my eye with the Kat Von D Shade and Light powder, this one at the top here. It's called Levitation. Okay, so I'm gonna use a Morphe M504. It's a big fluffy brush. I've never used this color before, actually. I'm gonna try it out today. I'm gonna use this color right here, which is called Pukey. It's not a good name, but everybody seems to use it as a transition color, so I'm gonna try that today. I'm gonna go real warm and very fall-ish today. So I'm gonna dip into this burnt orange right here. I'm going to use the Morphe M433, and we're gonna do that a little bit lower in the crease. So now I'm going to use an even smaller brush. This is the Morphe M514. So I'm gonna dip into that color again, that burnt orange shade, and I'm going to do the same motions, but because we're using a smaller brush, it's going to pack on the pigment a little bit more intensely. I'm going to put that in the lowest part of the crease. And then I'm just using a big fluffy brush to blend those two colors together. Make sure that there's no harshness and everything looks really soft and diffused. Now I'm going to dip into this color right here. It's definitely a brown, but it has like a reddish undertone. And I'm gonna do that on the outer corner. Really important to keep this color low, because if it goes up too high, it's just gonna make a mess. I'm also gonna run that on my eyelid as well. I'm going for a very smoky look today. Okay, so I lost a little bit of the red shade in there. I'm gonna dip back into that shade real quick and just put that back in my crease, because I feel like because I put that super dark brown in there, it kind of got lost. And I definitely want to have a red tone in there. Like I said in the intro, I want this to be very glam, so I'm going to use the Stila Magnificent Metals in the color Diamond Dust, and I'm going to put that on the inner third of the eye. I also put a darker shade. I almost went in with black, but I was like, no, I don't want to I don't want it to go everywhere. So I just put a super dark brown on the corners, and then just kind of patted over the edges to make it look blended. Now we can move on to lashes, and let me just tell you, I am so freaking excited to use these today. So these are the famed Kim Tai and Cake Face Beauty Lion Hearted Lashes. I am so excited to use these today. These are like 5 inches long. Look how long these lashes are. I mean, that's like a good like full inch away from your face. Wow, I am so excited. Okay, I'm gonna use the Duo Lash Glue in the dark tone. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that was literally the easiest lash application I have ever had in my entire life. I thought they were gonna be really hard to work with because the band is so thick. That was so easy. And for how big they are, they're actually very comfortable. All right, I'm gonna pop the other one on and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my opinion on these lashes. I'm obsessed. If you couldn't already tell, I mean, oh my God, look how freaking long these are. I put that there so there would be some contrast. But look at that. They're like 5 inches long. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the top of the eyes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and breeze through the rest of my foundation. I'm using, of course, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 201, aka fairest of them all. For the concealer, I am gonna use the same Studio Fix matte concealer that we've been using. I'm still testing it out. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I only know is that it is very full coverage. Like, oh God, it smells like paint. This concealer blends like a dream. Like, it's just like flawless. I do like it. I love the formula of this concealer. I just wish it smelled better. And to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, the pressed powder, because I have the loose powder, but it's just too messy. It just looks like I'm wearing too much makeup when I use that loose powder. So that's why I use the pressed powder instead. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back now with my eyebrows on. I'm looking a little bit better. I'm going to sculpt the face using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contouring Powders. And for blush today, you guys already know I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty blush in the color Sweet Pea. I'm gonna focus this kind of in the back, like where my contour is. So I was about to put on highlighter and then I realized that I didn't even do my under eye eyeshadow yet. So we're gonna do that real quick. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with the color Pukey. Poke myself in the eye. Always do that. So for this next color, I'm gonna use the Eco Tools Accent Shadow Brush. Looks like that. And next I'm going to use that orangey pumpkin-y shade that we used on the upper eyelid. That is very smoky. I love it. So now I'm going to take a flat definer brush. I dipped into the dark brown and the black in Jaclyn's palette, and I'm going to stamp this on the lower lash line. Alright, so the eyeshadow is complete. I'm going to throw some NYX, what is this? NYX eye pencil in the color black into my waterline. Alright, so the eyes are finally complete. I absolutely love them. They are very intense and very fall-like. So for highlight today, I'm going to use the Sleek Solstice palette in my JH07. I think I'm going to use this one today. It's like a champagne-y pink. I've never done this before, but people do this online all the time. They use a lip liner as their lipstick, and this color is beautiful for fall. It's beautiful. And this is the Smashbox Nude Lip Pencil in the color Medium. And lastly, to set our face in place, I'm using a brand new setting spray today. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Here we go. I'm definitely luminous. I had to put my hair up because my hair was literally not doing anything that I wanted it to do. So I just threw it up in a bun. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. That wraps up this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time, or whenever I can. I love reading your guys' comments, so please feel free to leave a comment down below. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.